Hey guys, welcome back to a gameplay of Roblox. It's your boy FBC Guy, and today we will be playing some more Bee Swarm Simulator. Sprout. If you guys like my channel, make sure to subscribe to see more Roblox content. Make sure to like this video to see more Bee Swarm Simulator gameplays. And without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so see, I haven't taught you guys about this yet, but there's a sprout right here, this thingy that says 48,000. Well, now 47,000. It's a sprout where once it's telling you this number right here is the amount of pollen you need to collect to grow this sprout. And once the sprout is fully grown, it it gives you like a lot of things that just start popping up. So yeah. Guys, I was just replying to because he said, how do you put ornaments on the Christmas tree? So yeah. But this is all I've got from these sprouts. Not the stingers, I got that from the vicious bee. But yeah. A lot of stuff I've got from the sprouts. Help me out. Gosh, I just noticed I have 21 jellies. Ooh, it just grew the sprout a little bit. One help with sprouts in sunflower. Wait, flower. What the heck? Field. There we go. I'm gonna help with sprout in sunflower field. Oh my. Wish you would find, yo, chill. Cause Lord knows it could get real. Oh, lightning toothpick is already here. I went to the tree and it has a question mark. Oh. If a question mark it means it's a ornament that you have to unlock by doing Alright. We'll go here. Alright guys, so I just helped this guy out. If you don't know, there's like an event in the game where it's called Bemis, where you have to unlock all the ornaments and 12 ornaments and put them on the Bemis tree. And you will get the black bear cub. And this kid didn't even know how to get the ornaments, which all you do is like complete quest. So I kind of helped him out. Bro, this sprout needs to pop up. Oh, it's gonna take so long. Somebody help me. I forgot what Black Bear's ornament was. Well, not his ornament, but what quest do you do for his ornament? I want to use a field dice, but I don't think so. Yeah, I'm not gonna do it. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh my gosh. Guys, comment down below if you know the second part of that song. Bruh, this kid, okay, at least he's helping me. But he's still stealing my token. Yay, the Sprouts got finished. And now there's a lot of things that just pop up, like honey tokens, and sunflower seeds, and blueberries, and strawberries, and treats, and pineapples, and it's just so great. Any little jellyfish? Nope, there are no. Oh, there's a royal jelly! No, it disappeared as soon as I was about to get it. So, yeah, guys, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like until you die. Subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, I will see you next time. Goodbye.